Welcome to the case analysis of the Supreme Court of Pakistan involving M.S. Atta Cables, Private, Limited and the Commissioner Inland Revenue, Lahore. This case highlights significant legal principles and their implications. The dispute centers around M.S. Atta Cables seeking an extension to file their income tax return for 2015, which was not responded to by the Commissioner Inland Revenue. The tax department's automatic audit triggered due to the missed deadline. The legal journey began with the Lahore High Court dismissing the taxpayer's petition. The taxpayer then appealed to the division bench, which also dismissed the appeal. Finally, the case reached the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The Supreme Court's analysis of Section 214D emphasized its coercive nature, the necessity of written communication, and clarified that an extension cannot be implied or inferred. The Supreme Court's decision upholds taxpayer rights, clarifies Section 214D, and defines the discretionary powers of the Commissioner regarding extension requests. Legal professionals should draft clear extension requests, emphasize formal communications, and adhere to timelines and deadlines to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Key takeaways include the strict interpretation of Section 214D, the importance of written orders, and the need for clear communication between taxpayers and the tax department. Legal professionals should stay informed about the latest legal developments, consult with tax law experts, and advocate for their clients' rights regarding tax extensions.